Hi Luméra magazine, my name is Madeleine Frandsen. We are in my Mexico City office for my brand Havre Studio. Come on in. Havre Studio works with upcycling vintage garments and dead stock materials. One of the first things we did was this set, which is made from a vintage men's blazer, and then we give it a more feminine silhouette. Continuing on, this is my partner and boyfriend Phillip. We've worked together for how long? 8 months?
8 months and counting, yes. And I'm actually the reason why we moved to Mexico in the first place, because of my former job. But now, 2 years later, we joined forces, right? And now I'm helping Madeleine with all the practical and business field, while Madeleine can focus on the creative aspect of Havre Studio.
Something else we work with is we take vintage 100% cotton men's shirts and we upcycle them into something new, and it can be worn by all genders. It's kind of versatile, oversized, more fitted, however you prefer. Over here we have one of our very popular styles this summer, which is basically made from also a men's vintage suit. It is this set consisting of a cropped shirt and boxer shorts. We completely refit the shirt so it's slightly smaller, take it in on the sleeves, give it a more feminine silhouette. And if we continue over here, we have our working table and our lovely intern Jeanine.
I'm just preparing some orders right now and I'm packing them, and I'm writing the names of our seamstress and our suppliers and our dry cleaner on our hanging tags for our clothes. So I'm just preparing that for our new orders and customers.
We're very adamant on making sure that our seamstresses and suppliers and dry cleaners, they get credit for their work, so they're included in the story and the experience that people get when they open their products from us. And over here we have our backdrop where we take all our pictures for our website. So here we basically shoot all the pieces. We only do it with iPhone, so it's very bootleg, but we like the result and it feels authentic to us. Thank you so much, Luméra magazine, for making your way here all the way from New York. It's been lovely meeting you and having you in our office, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.